It's Christmas. Why is my tree not lit? Come on, like we had it lit for the past 2 months. We gotta get it going. That's a little bit better. Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. Good and sad at the same time because Vlogmas is over after today. But Christmas is here. Merry Christmas. So last night, you guys, I literally watched The Grinch That Stole Christmas and had a good vibe of just watching The Grinch and everything else. So we're going to go to my mom's house today. This year for Christmas. We're not going to have Christmas here because everybody bringing presents up the steps. It's just, whew, those stairs are a bit of a beast. I'm glad I don't live on the 3rd floor because at the end of the day, it's not going to be it. Especially with groceries. But, you know, today is Christmas morning. And I think I'm going to put some Christmas music on a plate on my Fire Stick and see how, you know, get the Christmas vibe going. Yeah, let's see. Christmas morning. Play some music. So this is what my skin looks like after I do my treatment. You guys, it feels so good and so refreshed after I do my treatment. Now I am headed into the living room because my mom said give it to about 4 o'clock-ish. So I said, okay, so more relaxation. Maybe that's what we all are doing. And I'm watching some kind of Christmas movie. And I got the tree on. The tree has been on all day, pretty much.
Right now, flight leave tonight. Gotta head back to Cali, man.
Out of bounds before I intercept.
Alright, ready? Oh, that's pretty good.
Say cheese.
Okay, one more. Another pose.
7,
That way, yeah.
8,
I was looking at the
13, 14, 15. It ain't showing CJ.
Okay.
Hey peeps, I made it back. My lashes today will not let me be great, but I got some goodies in that basket. I would show you guys, but my camera is about to go completely dead. But I will show you like once I set everything together. But I had a really great Christmas with my mom. I'm gonna let this phone charge, this camera charge, and my battery charge. And I know my mom and them are on their way. But I just left my goddaughter. She is getting so big. She gave me a hug. We talked, we had fun and stuff. We read stories and things like that. But I'm going to finish getting situated because my mom and them are coming over. And I'll chat with y'all in just a second. It is definitely towards the end of the night. Well, not end of the night, but probably end of the night for this vlog. Currently, it's just 6:53. I am beat. I don't know why I'm beat, but I am beat. Thought about doing some tidying up, but I said no. As much as I shouldn't. I just need to go on the couch and watch some Christmas movies and just probably crash. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So seeing my goddaughter was just everything and more. And just having a great Christmas. Like, I am just like being on your own and I don't want to do this. Okay, so I usually don't get emotional like this, but I do. Okay, so what I was gonna say before, I almost got emotional. Whew, y'all just understand. Being on your own and trying to do things, adult wise and save money and just trying to figure out yourself all at once, and when you have your support system like your folks and your sisters and brothers, that, motivate you to do good, you're not a kid anymore, you're an adult now and you're trying to like figure out life, like how are you going to survive out there in this big old world that you're just now really introducing yourself into. It takes timing. Like, it takes time, and that's why I haven't really been productive on my channel, because I was just figuring out myself. Like, I haven't been able, like, to be honest, funding wise, I had to really save and get myself together, because when I was at home, I used to love like buying makeup and reviewing it for you guys and letting you know like what is so good about this product and my dislikes and likes. I had to really stop buying makeup and stop doing things because of trying to figure out how am I gonna survive, or when is the next meal gonna be, or stuff like that. I'm not poor or anything like that, but it's just like what I'm trying to say is the balancing wise. I'm trying to balance myself. Like, I had to really at one point tell myself, hey, you gotta take your lunch this week, or hey, you gotta treat yourself once a paycheck or two, and then have the extra coin to go buy your favorite this. I literally haven't been at Ulta. Like, I used to love going to Ulta nonstop, and I used to go almost every other weekend when I was at home with my mom and dad. And it was like my favorite store. I remember when they first launched Ulta where I live, I stood in that line. And because Ulta was like the big thing, early start whenever I was doing YouTube. Ulta was like the biggest thing. I kid you not, I stood in that line. And I waited because I was on my way to work too. It was like 2 hours before I had to go to work. It was hot. It was everything. I stood in that line. My mom was with me. Just to be able to walk in that store and open up and go in there, like, that was heaven like to me. So that's why I haven't really been like uploading on my main channel either, is because I had to really find out how I'm going to survive this year. Being an adult, like, I'm 30 years old. Like, I have to have my own bills. I have to be, an adult. Like, a lot of people are like, it's okay to stay at home. It's okay to stay. It is. It really is. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Just to have that extra freedom and to be able to do more than have that freedom. Just to have that, oh, I don't have to tell nobody where I'm going. Like, I might tell somebody where I'm going, but I don't have to be like, I'm going to see this person. We're going to hang out for a little bit. I'll be back. Blah, blah, blah. I don't have to really do that. Like, I can just go out and enjoy life, like, as an adult would do. Like, actual adult. Like, I have that freedom. And that's the fun part. Like, you have the freedom, but you have to manage your freedom as far as, not manage your freedom. You have that freedom to manage your coins as an adult. So that's what my goal is. Say. I am going to be giving you guys reviews. Don't worry. Product reviews are coming, but they're not going to be as is like was. As I was, productively doing the product review. So it won't be like that. But next year, I'm going to be saving. Like, saving nonstop and figure out life and saving coins. And I may travel here and there, but my goal is to be the best version of yourself. And that is saving. And maturing in areas where you need to mature in. Yeah. But that is it for today's vlog. I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog. See you guys in the new year. Happy New Year. Because it's definitely going to be the next time I probably upload a fresh new content on this channel. Yeah. But Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys in 2022. Bye.